Your messy room isn't just clutter, it's a terrifying reflection of your mind. It reveals your inner state. A cluttered space reflects a cluttered mind. We often ignore this connection, but the truth is undeniable. Our external environment mirrors our internal world. This is the essence of the law of correspondence. It states that as above, so below. This principle applies to everything. Our thoughts, emotions, and outer reality are deeply intertwined. As above, so below. This ancient Hermetic axiom holds profound wisdom. It suggests that the macrocosm, the universe, is reflected in the microcosm, our individual lives. Just as the stars move in patterns, our lives follow certain rhythms. We see this reflected in the natural world. The ebb and flow of the tides, the changing seasons, the cycle of birth and death all demonstrate this principle. Our inner and outer worlds are not separate. They are two sides of the same coin. By understanding this, we can start to see the clutter in our homes as a symptom of something deeper. Let me tell you about Sarah. She was a talented writer struggling with writer's block. Her apartment was a disaster zone. Piles of paper, clothes, and books filled every corner. She felt overwhelmed and stuck. I encouraged her to start decluttering. We began with her writing desk. Slowly, but surely, she started letting go of things that no longer served her. As she cleared her space, something magical happened. Her writer's block began to dissolve. She felt lighter, more inspired. Decluttering is not just about organizing your belongings. It's about creating space for clarity, peace, and inspiration. By letting go of the physical clutter, we also release emotional baggage. We create a more harmonious environment. This, in turn, allows us to think more clearly and invite more joy into our lives. Remember, your outer world is a mirror of your inner world. By creating a more organized and harmonious external environment, you invite that same energy into your mind and spirit. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Unveiling your subconscious. Our homes are more than just places where we live. They're powerful reflections of our subconscious minds. Every object, every corner tells a story. A messy drawer might represent procrastination. A cluttered bookshelf might signify fear of letting go of the past. By paying attention to these subtle clues, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves. We can identify patterns and beliefs that hold us back. This self-awareness is the first step towards transformation. I want to introduce you to a simple yet powerful ritual mirror mapping. It's designed to help you uncover the hidden messages in your living space. Here's how it works. First, choose a room. Start with the area that feels the most cluttered or chaotic. Next, observe and reflect. Spend time in the room and notice your feelings. Then journal your observations. Write down your thoughts and emotions. After that, identify patterns. Look for recurring themes or emotions. Finally, take action. Create a plan to declutter and reorganize the space. Decluttering can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few practical tips to get you started. Start small. Begin with a drawer, a shelf, or a corner of a room. Ask yourself, does this item spark joy? If not, thank it for its service and let it go. Categorize your belongings. Sort items into categories like clothes, books, and papers. Find a place for everything. Assign a designated spot for each item. Make it a habit. Set aside a few minutes each day to tidy up. Decluttering is not a one-time event. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about cultivating mindfulness in every aspect of our lives. As you begin to clear your physical space, you'll naturally start to pay more attention to your thoughts and emotions. You'll become more aware of the energy you bring into your home and your life. This awareness is key to creating lasting change. Remember, tidying is not about perfection. Your messy room isn't a sign of failure, it's an opportunity for growth. Embrace the transformative power of decluttering. As you clear your space, you clear your mind. You invite more peace, joy, and abundance into your life. Remember, the journey to a clutter-free life is a journey to a more joyful you. Start today. Your future self will thank you.